Hi guys, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So are you looking to be your own boss, set your own hours, and make money doing something you love? Then freelancing might be the perfect fit for you. Today, I'll be taking you on an exciting journey on freelancing. There are tons of freelance opportunities out there. So whether you're a creative mastermind, a data whiz, or an organization guru, there's a freelance gig just for you. So in this video, I'll be exploring 5 fantastic freelancing jobs that can help you start earning right away. The fifth one is my favorite, so let's dive right in. Freelance job number 1, being a content creator. Let's face it, the internet runs on content. Businesses are always searching for fresh, engaging stuff to grab attention. If you've got a way with words, can spin killer stories, or love making videos, then content creation is your freelancing goldmine. From writing blog posts to creating social media content and also film explainer videos, just imagine the possibilities are endless. Picking a freelancing job as a content creator will definitely grant you a path to making money. Freelance job number 2, that is the data entry specialist. Do you have a keen eye for details and a talent for accuracy? Then freelance data entry could be a great way to start making money. Data entry specialists help businesses organize and input data into database and spreadsheets. So picking a freelance job as a data entry specialist will be a lead way for making money. Freelance job number 3, that is the social media manager. Social media is a powerful marketing tool, but managing it can be a time-consuming beast. And that's where freelance social media managers comes in. In this role, you will create engaging content, manage accounts, run ads, and analyze data to help businesses grow their online presence. So if you understand social media and ways to manage it, picking a freelance job as a social media manager is definitely a thing. Freelance job number 4, that is being a web developer or a designer. The internet is booming and businesses need stunning websites and user-friendly apps to stay competitive. If you're a tech whiz with an eye for design, then freelancing web development or design could be your best freelancing job. And here's to the final and my favorite freelancing job number 5, being a visual assistant. Are you the ultimate organizer? The friend everyone goes to for getting things done? Do you strive in fast-paced environments and have a knack for juggling multiple tasks? Then becoming a visual assistant might be your next dream job. Visual assistants are remote superheroes that busy professionals and businesses can't live without. You will provide top-notch services, handling tasks like scheduling appointments and managing calendars, conquering email inboxes and keeping communication flow, running social media accounts and crafting engaging content, researching, data entering and project management. Here is to but a few. And also know that as a visual assistant, you will be wearing many hats, but the reward is incredible. You work remotely, set your own schedule, and be the ultimate problem solver, making a real life difference for your clients. Are you ready to unleash your inner visual assistant rockstar? Let's make this happen. Send a message today and I'll be glad to assist you in helping your visual assistant skill come true. So guys, these are just the taste of the freelancing world. The key is finding a job that fits your skills and passion. So ditch the cubicle, embrace the freedom, and start freelancing your way to success. It's me once more, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and thank you for having you on this.